Hey, Brent Garrett with Sirius Plumbing and Air Conditioning. I'm the president of the company, and a lot of our service calls that we get have to do with the kitchen sink, and especially around Thanksgiving, we have lots of calls about garbage disposal. So I wanted to share with you a couple things that, number one, we don't put down in here. One would be, I had a service call with our company years ago where around Thanksgiving we had a homeowner who thought it'd be a good idea to put literally thousands of shells from shrimp down in the garbage disposal, and those things just laid on top of each other, and we had to cut it all out and replace it. So let's put that at the top of the list. Let's not put any shrimp shells down. A real good rule of thumb is that grease and water, especially if it's cold, don't go very well down the drain. So if you are going to put anything that might have some kind of greasy base to it, lots of hot water with it and a little bit of dishwashing liquid so we can break that down and it gets through the drain. You know, anything that would get stuck that doesn't dissolve, or it's just not a good idea to put down the garbage disposal. But let's say that all of a sudden we turn our garbage disposal on and for some reason it's not coming on. Now, there are a couple things we can do before we call for a service call. Number one is we'll turn the power back off, and underneath the sink, doesn't matter what the make or model of your garbage disposal is, there's a button under there, because if it's stopped, what's happened is there's an internal shut-off that protects the motor inside the garbage disposal. And the folks at the garbage disposal companies have learned that they put that switch in there. There's a button called a reset switch, and it's underneath. It's a red button. We're not good enough at videos to get all the way underneath there, but I tell you, it's under every garbage disposal. You'll find it, and all you do is hit that button. Many times that'll fix the problem. The other thing is that sometimes it can become jammed. In many cases, first of all, let's talk about it not being a good idea to stick our hand down there and trying to grab whatever it is. And if you decide to do that, let's make sure that somebody's well away from the switch. It'd be a great idea before you stick your hand in there to reach underneath the sink and pull the power. The other thing is that sometimes people will get serving utensils stuck in their garbage disposal. These items, if a couple of these tips don't help you, it's probably a good idea to call a service plumber and have them come take care of this. We do this every day, and there's nothing we haven't seen before. And so give us a call at 972-235-6600 if you need help with your garbage disposal. Remember, you can request service online at www.siriuspac.com. I'm Brent Garrett with Sirius Plumbing and Air Conditioning, and make it a great day.